Okay, so we're asked to find the area of this shape. We can see that this shape is made up of a rectangle and a half of a circle. So let's look at the formula for each of those. So our formula for the area of the rectangle is area is equal to base times height. And then our formula for the area of a circle, given the radius, is area is equal to pi r squared. That's pi times the radius squared, but we only have half of a circle, so at some point we're going to have to divide all of that section by 2. All right, now let's look at our variables list. So for our rectangle, we don't know the area, and we know the base, but we don't know the height either. So let's just leave that for a minute, and let's look at our area of a circle. So our areas are unknown. But we do know the radius of the circle is 5 centimeters. But we also know that the diameter of a circle is twice the radius. So if this is a half circle, then the diameter must be 5 centimeters plus 5 centimeters. Which is equal to 10 centimeters. And the diameter of this half circle must be the same as the height of the rectangle. So the height of our rectangle must be 10 centimeters. All right, so now we have enough information. We can only have one unknown in each section of the question before we can answer it. So now we know 2 out of the 3 variables. We can go ahead and substitute in an answer. So our area for our rectangle is equal to the base, which is 14 centimeters, multiplied by 10 centimeters. 14 times 10 is 140 centimeters. And our area for the circle, we can do the same thing. So area is equal to pi. You can substitute 3.14 in there if you like, or you can just leave it as the value of pi, times 5 centimeters. And we're going to square that. So remember, that's 5 times 5, not 5 times 2. And I'm just going to write this in as a reminder that I'm going to have to divide all of this by 2 because I need the area of the half of the circle, not the entire circle. So let's solve this. So area is equal to, in my calculator, I'm going to punch 5 times 5 times pi. And I get 78.53. Actually, it's closer to 0.54 divided by 2. Remember, I still have to divide by 2. So for my half circle, my area is 39.27. So I needed to square this area up here. So combining the two, I'm going to get my area of the composite is equal to 140 plus 39.27. Combining those two, area is equal to 179.27. 0.27 centimeters squared. So if this is a word problem, we would then write a sentence answer. The area of this shape is 179.27 centimeters squared.